And here we are at the most touristic place, or at least the most emblematic place of Minsk city, the Victory Square. And what's written there on the top of that building?
Portugal wrote the best nerve.
What does that mean?
Heroic. But the mortal heroism of people.
So this is the Victory Square. It's so nice. All the cars coming here, all the cars turning here. This is a memorial for the victory of the Soviet Union in the Second World War. The Soviets, they played an important role during the Second World War, and fortunately they fought back. They won the Nazis as well. And wow, it's awesome, it's great. I really like their symbols. Maybe there was a special occasion why they put flags of other countries. Maybe some competition, soccer, some sport.
No, it was there from the beginning of the sense.
I see, I see. You know, the hotel where you stay in Brest, it's a very big hotel. It's close to the train station, bus
Right.
station. It's so big. It's so nice.
I have never been in a hotel in Brest, you know.
Yeah, I can imagine. This is the National Library of Belarus, right? Do you like the architecture, the way it was built? Looks like a diamond.
Yeah, they call it. Actually, I've been working on the construction of this thing. Because here sometimes students are invited to work on those, like to carry stuff and shit.
I see, I see.
When I was young, I was working a little bit here.
Nice.
Still, it's high quality work. It still stands.
Nice. It's different, very different. You know what's written here? I love Minsk or something like that?
No, that's the name of this residential, I think.
Ah, you got
I think you've missed your bus, you know. You have the reservation for the hostel for tomorrow.
More or less, like I just wrote to the guys through WhatsApp,
Right.
to the hotel, and then I have the reservation.
No, I mean, at Urban Hostel.
Yes, I have. Yeah, I have until tomorrow in the morning. I can leave until maybe 11 a.m. Sorry.
So yeah, you will leave at 5.
Yes. At least I will sleep today. I can take another shower.
That's a very good thing.
Yes. I really like it, the bed, so I really wanna like relax more, enjoy it more. Much prettier. There is an observation deck on the 23rd floor here in the National Library of Belarus, and the view is very cool, guys. Take a look here. We can see big part of Belarus. And again, as I told you in Lithuania, here as well, there are a lot of trees. A lot of trees. Here is inside the Library of Belarus, National Library of Belarus. And here is the art gallery part. And here we are, the last floor observation deck. You can see a lot of places from here, the parking lot. Here you can see the flag of Belarus. It's a nice flag. I don't know if I mentioned before, but we pay like 5 rubles, 5 Belarusian rubles to come here. It's nice.
Не кричи, мелких нет у нас, только такие у нас.